Hey guys, I made another 100% overnight on Tesla, right? So today I'm going to give you really the awful breakdown because some of you guys said that, it wasn't enough. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly the support and resistance line, everything that I drawn overnight. And yeah, so basically I made 100% overnight the past 2 nights, which I thought was pretty good, right? So just a couple of days ago, I actually published this video on YouTube that the Tesla buying the surge or not, the bull and bear argument, whether you should be buying or not, whereas the key level you should be looking out for this for Tesla, right? To actually short Tesla, or you want to re-enter Tesla as a long position, right? I actually stated right there and stated some case study of what past companies that have parabolic movements, what happened to them, and how you should go about playing them. All right. And then yesterday I actually published a video, shorted Tesla. I made over 100%, and today I'm going to share you guys again. So if you guys have not followed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel over here, Alpha Investor, right? I'm going to drop a link below. Subscribe to the channel. So what you're going to get in my channel is totally 100% free, right? You get to see endless of stock analysis. You get to see like price action, like live sharing of candlestick, part 3, part 4, this kind of stuff. So you get to know a lot of stuff, all for free. You don't have to pay a single cent, right? So all you have to do is just remember to hit the subscribe button. I can't see a subscribe button here because this is my channel, right? Remember to hit the subscribe button, and after which add on the bell to it, there's a small little bell icon to it. So remember to do that, and so you guys get updated to all of my stock analysis every single time I post them. All right. So last night I made another, overnight I made another 100% on Tesla. I re-entered another position. I keep re-entering position, right? So let me just give you guys the full breakdown from what happened initially. All right. So initially, like I mentioned in the previous video, Tesla actually had some negative news. If I'm not wrong, Morgan Stanley actually downgraded them, and immediately the stock price was down, right? So yesterday, this is actually the minute time zone, right? You can ignore all these MACD, moving average, and RSI, all these first. We're just looking at simple thing called the pivot point. All right, the pivot points and support and resistance lines. Okay, so what happened? This is the intraday, pre-market and post-market. So this is actually a live market whereby it's 10:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Singapore time. All right. So what happened was that pre-market, Morgan Stanley downgraded Tesla, and immediately the shares was down. I think 10% $90 around that. So in my previous video, I also highlighted that I actually draw this downward sloping trend line over here. Right. This is the first trend line. I actually start to draw a downward sloping trend line. Maybe should I remove all this again? Never mind, doesn't matter, right? Then at that point of time, my phone was lagging. I couldn't make a short position. I couldn't short the stock, and hence I was actually waiting for a better opportunity. And true enough, it did bounce back up. So I was lucky I didn't short it, and yeah, it's actually really lucky because this would actually wipe out most people. $788, and this $840 at $70 intraday movement. You can easily wipe out anyone's account like that. All right, without position sizing, you can really wipe out your account. So do not try to attempt to make this kind of intraday day trading if you are not really experienced in the market. Okay. So anyway, what happened is that it was this. Then I saw this. It actually rebounded at this point again with this. Can you see this candlestick? A long wick candlestick pattern, which followed by a reversal. So it actually reversed back up. All right. So you can see actually a strong support line over here, whereby the price can't seem to break below $788.29. Then it actually rebounded back up to this point over here, this downward sloping line over here, and then it really can't seem to break it no matter how hard you try. And look at the volume here. The volume is really low compared to the average volume there. It's really low, right? So it then continue to do this for a while, and then after which I see let me just zoom in. Can you see this? A long red huge candlestick, right? A bearish candlestick that really break past this support line over here. And sorry, hold on, let me just move it back again. Yep. Okay, then you break past this line, and then you followed by a confirmation red bearish candlestick pattern, right? Confirmation, you must confirm that it really break first. It's later, if not, it's going to just rebound back up, right? So it's a confirmation. And you look at it, look at this tail over here. Also suggested that in between that 1 minute, right, traders and investors wanted to buy back the stock up. Okay, they wanted to buy back up, but bears overpowered them, right? Just take a second to digest it and just really think it through. Traders the bears overpowered them, and it continued to go down. So that's where I entered my first short position, shorting Tesla. Alright, so I shorted Tesla and it came all the way down here. So at that point of time, I was making like $200 or $300 around there in USD profit, but I didn't want to exit the trade yet because I thought like maybe it can go down even more. So I actually waited there, and unfortunately it rebounded back up. Right, rebounded back up all the way to here, but I hit around this support line, this resistance line again, downward sloping resistance line. At that point of time, I was losing a couple of dollars, like maybe $10-$20, because I'm using options, bear put options, and because it's near the expiration date, so the premiums expire very, very quickly, and you may think you'll be making money on break even, but actually losing some money there. But then what happened was that I thought about it. I look at this support line, downward sloping, everything's trending lower, and it's actually broken below this resistance line, sorry, this support line, becoming a new resistance line. So I thought I actually re-short Tesla again. So I doubled down my position and short Tesla all the way down here. And after I shot it all the way here, I realized that, hey, it has been consolidating for a good whole 10 minutes, and I decided to actually exit my position around here. And luckily I actually exited, right? Because I mean, it really makes sense to exit, right? Because you can see that this trend line is coming here, it's getting squeezed a lot already, right? It's really getting squeezed a lot, and you really don't know whether it's going to break down further or break up, right? But if it's going to break up, you're going to lose all your profits you make. If it's going to break down, you make more profit. But then again, we are more on the conservative side, because being a day trader, one of the main quality is that you must manage your risk properly. Right, so I rather just take my risk out of the market and collect my profit and exit the market, and after which the market start to soar back up. All right, just keep going higher and higher back up. All right, so after it keep going higher back up, let me just come here. After it keep going higher back up, I remember around like 12 plus, I was looking at stock again. I was thinking like, hey, I mean, I already made like $200+ profit in Tesla. Should I just short it again and just pray for the best lah, right? So I thought think for quite some time, and I thought like, okay lah, since I'm playing the house money, why not just spend that $200, because I basically earned that $200. Is like the house money, right? So I shorted Tesla again. All right, I shorted Tesla, and I went to sleep because it's like 1+ a.m. overnight, right? So I'm not exactly a full-time day trader. I'm more like a day trader / investor / swing trader, right? So I saw this, yes, almost hit its resistance line. So I started shorting it again. I short again, and after which I just left it overnight. All right. So when the next morning happened, I actually pre-market, I was looking at the charts already. I noticed that it actually went down a lot, come back up, then come down. Then after it keep going up here, then it got resisted over here. All right. And then it came all the way down to here, and when the market opened, all right, so Tesla actually went all the way down. So I thought I actually made a lot of money, right, after I didn't sell away. Then Tesla went all the way back up. We see a reversal over here all the way to the support line or the resistance line, depending on where you look at it. But in this case, it's a resistance line, right? Then I thought, hey, is there a chance where I will lose my profits, right? But after which, you take a look at here, you see another reversal pattern over here, right? Can you see, like, you try to break above, can't break above, plus there's a 200 days exponential moving average over there. It just can't seem to break above. So I didn't close my position, I left it open, and I leave it open all the way till it come down here. Then when it come down here, I saw this thing whereby, let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, I saw this. Can you see it? Okay, maybe I'm not going to zoom so much in. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, hold on. I don't want to. Yeah, okay. So I see this thing. Like, it was actually forming a triple bottom from the pre-market all the way to its current price over here, right? Triple bottom, right? So I thought about it for a while. Actually, it makes a pretty good support line for this all-time low over here, all-day low over here. So I decided that I would actually take my position out of the market. And once I took it out, I see that the RSI all started to go up, the MACD also started to curve up, and everything just keep going higher and higher all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. It was almost an intraday movement of $100. Yeah. So you see, we're at $687, which let's put it at $680. It moved all the way up to almost $800, right? So it's an intraday movement of almost $800. And after which you actually hit around here, and it was like I think also around 12 plus 1. I decided to like, hey, let's short it again. So I short it, and now I'm living it overnight again. And yeah, so I'm not too sure whether I still make money right now, but taking a look at my P&L, I can show you guys. You can see all my positions here. This is just one of my live accounts, so it doesn't really matter, right? So I'm showing you guys here that over the past 2 days, yesterday I made $289.50 shorting Tesla. Exited just before the rebound. It was super sweet, right? Then I re-entered a new position. Now I'm down $3. But all in all, I'm actually up $752 USD in just 2 days time. So what happened is that if you actually convert it to SGD, that's like $1,039 SGD lah. That is like almost a lot of money. That can be equivalent to one person's profit for the year, for the month. Like, I mean, as in, take salary minus expenses, that could easily be, one person's like net money, that can savings they can keep in their pocket lah. That can be easily that, and just made it over 2 days. All right, so if you guys like to find out more about how you can learn about investing or trading, you can simply go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, learn more about it. And also in my all this description, you can actually find out there's actually like our Facebook page, our free online course, our free ebook, all these kind of things. So you can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, it's not going to cost you much. It's going to cost you your time only, probably just your time and listening to me almost every single time now, because almost all the stuff is all prepared by me. All right, so thank you very much for staying all the way to the end. I hope you actually have an enjoyable weekend ahead. Bye bye.